how to enable Facebook Marketplace. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Facebook Marketplace. Without further ado, let's get started. So first thing we're going to make sure is your Facebook is up to date, so visit your App Store or your Play Store to check on that. Once you have made sure that your Facebook is up to date, let's just head on and open Facebook right here. And to find the Facebook Marketplace from this app, you should see the Marketplace among these icons at the bottom part of the screen. So I have it beside Friends over here. And this is basically the Marketplace I have on this account. So if you don't see it from the icons at the bottom part of your screen, just go to the menu right here at the bottom right. And you should see the Marketplace option again over here. But if it still does not show anywhere on Facebook, on your Facebook app, the first context that we need to know is that Facebook Marketplace is only available to users aged 18 and older, and you also have to consider that it is only available to supported countries. So you might want to search on that if your country has the option to have the Facebook Marketplace. So the next thing that we should know is that Facebook Marketplace might not be shown to new Facebook accounts. So if you have a new Facebook account, use it regularly to help prove to Facebook that you have a real account and that you're not a bot or something. So you might want to interact with certain posts, add friends, like and comment on posts, share it as well, like that. Click on share and click on share now, so that Facebook will detect interaction within your account and prove that it is a real and valid account. So if you are a valid account and in a location where Marketplace is available and it still does not show, the way that you can try is that you can try logging out of your account. To do that, just click on the log out option from the menu and log in again, so that might solve the issue. The next thing you can try is to reinstall the app. So just uninstall Facebook from your homepage. Press and hold, remove app, click on delete app, and just go to your App Store again and install Facebook app, and hopefully that should have you the Facebook Marketplace. So again, the factors that we need to consider is the age. You should be above 18. You should be in a country where Facebook Marketplace is supported. Also, your device, it should be the latest ones as well, because it only works on the iPhone 5 and later models, Android and iPad, so you might want to check on that as well as the age of your account and frequent use, and if you have violated Facebook policies before. So that is how you can basically enable Facebook Marketplace on your device or Facebook app. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.